With just a few days to go until its official launch, Realme continues to promote the arrival of the new Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus to the international market, with the latest marketing bet highlighting the design and box content of each of the models. The Realme 9 Pro and Realme 9 Pro Plus are all set to be launched in India on February 16th. We bring you the unboxing and the first impression of Realme Pro Plus ahead of the launch. Take a look. The company is upgrading its mid-range lineup in the market, and now the successor to the Realme 8 series is here in the form of 9, and this time the brand has added a Pro Plus variant to its portfolio. The Realme 9 Pro and Pro Plus are not yet available for purchase. These smartphones will only appear in stores after the announcement, which will take place on February 16th. However, we managed to get a glimpse of the new devices, so we decided to share the first impressions of new gadgets with you. Today, we can look at the boxes in which Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus will come and find out what is included in the package. The unboxing reveals the complete in-box contents you get with both devices for the first time. In the Realme 9 Pro Plus box, there's a standard TPU case, a SIM tool, the phone itself, a 65-watt SuperDart charging brick, and finally a USB-C cable. You get similar contents in the Realme 9 Pro box as well, although the charging brick has been switched for a more standard 33-watt unit. Now to the impressions. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has been described as slim and light in hand, and its left edge features the volume rocker along with the SIM tray, while the right has the power button. On top, there's a noise cancellation mic, while on the bottom, you get a headphone jack, a speaker unit, and a USB-C port. On placing the devices side by side, we noticed a difference in the display quality between the two, with the Realme 9 Pro Plus appearing brighter and a lot punchier. The Pro Plus also appears to have slimmer bezels, although there is a bit of chin at the bottom. The 9 Pro model does offer a higher refresh rate though, 120Hz compared to 90Hz on the 9 Pro Plus. The display comes with a punch hole layout that houses the front camera. The 20:9 aspect ratio displays offers a larger viewing area and a screen body to ratio of 83%. The power button is on the right and the volume rocker sits on the left side of the phone. The main security features are an on-screen fingerprint sensor built under the screen and face unlock that works through the selfie camera. Both work pretty fast, so no problems there. Also revealed was that the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a stereo speaker setup, which is a step up from the single speaker unit on the Realme 9 Pro and gets sufficiently loud. The fact that we are waiting for the announcement of the Realme 9 family has been talked about for a long time and persistently. Everything goes to the fact that the presentation of Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus, which should take place on February 16th, will not bring surprises. We'll know about the new products even before their release, and this is not due only to network insiders, but also to the company itself. Realme 9 Pro series smartphones' awe-inspiring design has been officially confirmed ahead of the lineup's imminent launch. Realme is gearing up for the February 16th Realme 9 Pro series India launch. A day before going official in India, the series is set to launch globally.
From ordinary to extraordinary, there's a long way to cross. Whenever we lose our way, there's always a light that keeps us going. The light sparks from every young heart. It leads us to capture inspiration in ordinary days. It encourages us to seize the colors of sunrises after the darkest hours.
This light shift design graces the sunrise blue version of both of the new Realme 9 Pro smartphones, and apparently more than 200 attempts were actually needed to perfect the pioneering dual layer photochromic process.
As we mentioned earlier, the Realme 9 Pro series will comprise two models, Realme 9 Pro and Realme Pro Plus. The smartphone manufacturer has been leaving no stone unturned in a bid to create more hype around the series' debut in the country. Let's take a look at the design. On Wednesday, February 2nd, Realme Vice President Madhav Sheth gave Realme fans a glimpse of color variants of the upcoming lineup. Aside from that, 91 Mobile spotted the smartphone in the hands of the famous Indian cricketer KL Rahul. Sheth has already confirmed that the Realme 9 Pro series will be available in glittery red and sunrise blue color options. Now, the company is further creating more excitement ahead of the series launch by revealing its design. Taking to Twitter, Realme India shared a video showing the phone's design. Aside from that, the video confirms that the phone will adopt color shifting technology. If the teaser video is anything to go by, the Realme 9 Pro series will come with a glossy back. Furthermore, this rear panel will house 3 cameras. The rectangular camera island will sport a different finish than the rest of the rear panel. Moreover, the video shows the colors of the phones ranging from blue to red, indicating that the 9 Pro series will come with a color-changing back. To recall, the Vivo V23 Pro adopts a similar color technology. However, Realme has dubbed this feature as Light Shift Design. Specifications and features expected. Up front, the new Realme 9 Pro series phone sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display that offers full HD Plus resolution at 1080 by 2400 pixels, which translates into a pixel density of 405 ppi. The screen gets a punch-hole design for the selfie camera. The 9 Pro Plus comes powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB. It also boasts a Mali G68 GPU. Realme 9 Pro, on the other hand, could use an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor paired with an Adreno 619 GPU. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Realme 9 Pro Plus is rumored to pack a triple rear camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. This will comprise a Sony IMX766 camera that supports OIS. Furthermore, the Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus could draw their juices from 4500 mAh battery units. It is tipped to be dual SIM GSM mobile that will accept nano SIM cards. Connectivity options on the Real 9 Pro Plus are said to include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, 4G, was supported for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India, and 5G. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include an accelerometer, ambient light sensors, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Realme 9 Pro will probably support 33-watt fast charging, while the Pro Plus model might support 65-watt fast charging. These two Realme 9 Pro series phones will run Android 12 OS with Realme UI 3.0 on top. In addition, recently the manufacturer posted a teaser on the network, which indicates that the 9 Pro Plus will be able to measure the owner's heart rate, which can turn out to be quite helpful if you don't own a smartwatch or fitness band. Judging by the image, the heart rate sensor is integrated into the display. Such a solution is not a novelty, and there are already devices on the market that allows you to measure heart rate using a smartphone camera or a sensor built into the screen. A few years ago, Samsung installed a heart rate monitor on its flagships, but this practice was abandoned with the appearance of wearable gadgets. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and just be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our awesome content. And please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section down below. I'm Mickey B, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.